Today, I interviewed one of my relatives abroad and his name is Joren Daroy Trahe. I only interview him through chats because of his hectic schedule. So, here is the conversation I had with him. He is working at the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 22 years. His unforgettable experience being there describes generally good. He is being able to go to places that he could only read, see in the books, Bible, and even television before. He also experiencing changes emotionally and financially. Being away from family, being in a country with different culture, belief, and way of life. Being with other nationalities with different perspectives and doing things without considering the feelings of others. These are some experiences that somehow makes him emotionally independent and strong. He is working there because he wants to provide for his family, not only the needs but also the wants. So financially speaking, family first, nothing's changed. So I also asked him how will he compare Philippines with other countries. I am touched about his answer. Philippines is home, as simple as that. And I also asked him the reason for staying there for a very long time. Is it because of so much higher salary compared to Philippines? And the impact of his decision being there is no regrets. If he will choose again, he will always choose to go abroad than being stuck in the Philippines. And state that other people might call this a big mistake, a bad decision. What he know for sure is God allowed this to happen. He wants to use him as an instrument for a great cause. He kept reminding himself that God has a plan for him. That's why he need to look at all the happiness, sadness, and failures he experienced as blessings from God. Hearing all those answers he gave me, it affects how I answer these questions. What has changed in our communities because of global migration? A lot has changed, especially in terms of our economy. Through OFW remittances, it closed the gap between the poor and the wealthy by contributing to a growing middle class. With improved living conditions and more disposable income, the consumption of goods and services increases, which drives the economy forward. Indeed, OFWs are the country's modern hero. Their works overseas has greatly helped reduce poverty and played a major part in turning our once lackluster financial system into the blooming one as it is today. Thanks to them, their labor and sacrifices have brought pride to our nations and have helped improve our economy. For the second one is, would I consider migrating in the future? Why or why not? Yes, I will rather go abroad than being stuck here in the Philippines where the standard for employment is very high but salaries are very low. I believe that working abroad where some of our families are already there, it is already a great opportunity and a bright future that awaits me. Through that, I will be able to spoil my family financially and I can even get them to live with me there because surely the country I choose has a great government where benefits are given and distributed equally. That's all and thank you.